Postman, someone is. You're all postman. Okay, great. So what is the work of postman actually?
The postman deliver letters to our house.
Okay.
The work of postman is to deliver letters to each other.
Good, very good. What about you? What is the work of postman?
The work of postman is they deliver early postcards to what to give to another house.
What about you?
You should work so hard to get mail.
Okay, very good. Keep it up.
Why you came here?
Okay, you came here to deliver some letters for me. Is it for me? In my name? Okay. Please. Okay. Right in your life. Thank you so much. These are postcards. Very good. Very nice. Congratulations.
Help him.
So it is a true learning. Oh, so many letters for me. For Diwali wishes. Okay, thank you. Same to you all. Convey my regards to your parents also. Okay. Even to your teachers also you should say Happy Diwali before you leave the school. Okay. Take care. Be safe. Play safe. Okay. And eat sweet.